This is the eighth part of building 7-inch long-range drone in 2026. This will be most probably the last short video. The next one will be flight footage already, and this will be a normal video. The drone is configured and ready to fly. Everything works except for the current sensor. And it is also worth to note that this flight controller doesn't have so-called 4,5 pads, which means that when it's powered over the USB, the GPS module and the radio receiver will not be powered. Awkward, but also not a big problem, because you configure it once and then never touch it again, right? Now, I have only a few things left to tell you about. First of all, the receiver. The receiver I'm using is the GAP-RC 2.4 GHz ELRS receiver with power amplifier. I bought it for 15 euros. I decided to buy everything GAP-RC because I wanted to give them a chance to prove that they are better than SpeeDB, but now I'm not quite sure about that, you know. And that makes the total price to be exactly 230 euros. Frame plus the stack plus the motors plus the GPS module plus the receiver makes exactly 230 euros. The sum, of course, does not include the video subsystem. Another thing worth to note is the capacitor. There is a common misconception that the capacitor couldn't be placed anywhere you like. No, it's not. It can be placed at the maximum distance of, say, 10 millimeters from the battery leads. And here on the top is the only place where this condition can be fulfilled. And the problem is that when the battery cable is moving, it would also move the capacitor with it, and eventually its slacks would break off. So I printed additionally this holder, capacitor holder. It looks like this. Very easy design. 3 tubes connected together. I made it in like 5 minutes, but it does the trick. Well, I couldn't make it in 3 minutes, so there will be another short video where I'm going to weigh my build, okay?